Welcome to Adventures with Becky. In this video, I've got some exciting news. I'm going to go to Orlando tomorrow. So I'm travelling from Manchester Airport. I've already got my Minnie Mouse suitcase packed and my lounge fly ready to go with all that's for my passport, paperwork, mobile phone, charger, that kind of thing. So there you go. There's my suitcase and my lounge fly. So I'm going to travel to the Clayton Hotel at Manchester Airport, stay over tonight, leave my car there for the week. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a tour of the Clayton Hotel room, travel day to Orlando. I'm then going to go to Epic Universe for as long as I need. I've got a 7-day pass. My plan is to do Epic Universe, to do Islands of Adventure, Universal Studios, and then what my plan is to buy a 1-day hopper pass at Disney World and do the 4 parks in one day challenge. So basically I'll go to the 4 main parks, do a show, and maybe do a character meet or eat a food that's iconic with that particular theme park, and then take a picture of myself with an iconic landmark behind me, like at Magic Kingdom it would be the castle behind me. At Hollywood Studios it would either be the Tower of Terror behind me or the iconic cinema behind me. So stay tuned, it's lots of exciting content to come up. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy my vlog. Bye! Hi everybody, so I'm at my hotel room at the Clayton Hotel. It was a bit of a navigation to get here. So basically, I arrived at the hotel, checked in, I drove here, so I had my car parked in their car park, and I booked at the hotel and put car parking as a package on Holiday Extras, and I didn't look at the small print, and the actual car park is at one of the many airport parking that's around the airport, and it was like 20 minutes drive away in a place called Carrington, Manchester, and I had to drive past a housing estate, which was a new one, and it said, your GP says, "We've come to the end of your journey. You should arrive. This is your destination. You have arrived." And I'm thinking, I don't think I have arrived. So I pulled into an industrial estate, and then looked right, and it's a little sign saying Maples car parking is on the opposite side of the street. So I'm like, oh my God. Well, I thought, well, at least I found it. So then I drove my car to the Maples car parking. It opened up, found the car park, had to check in, handed my car keys over to the staff. Then I got one of their shuttles back to Terminal 3, and I got dropped off at Terminal 3, which is where one of the places that they pick you up on the return flight. So they have given me a little card to to say each terminal's pickup point is, so that's good. So I had to walk from the bus stop back to the Clayton Hotel. So then I thought, right, my next question is, does Clayton Hotel provide a shuttle service to the terminals tomorrow morning? Well, they do. They have a 24-hour service, and it's every 20 minutes, and I was advised to turn up maybe 20 minutes earlier than when you want to leave, just to make sure that you've got plenty of time. Anyway, so now I'm in my hotel room. I was going to have a bit of a nap, but I've actually boosted some energy again. So out somewhere. I went to the Trafford Centre before I came to the hotel to do a bit of shopping, have a bit of lunch, and then come here. So I'm going to do a hotel room tour. It is actually a very nice room. So from my window, I can see the sign for Clayton Hotel at the front. There's all what you can see of the airport car parking. That's Clayton's car park where I originally parked. Right, so I'll do the room tour. Okay, so that's the front door. I've got a massive mirror here with a wardrobe and a spare pillow. That's always useful. Oh, an ironing board. You never know when you might need one of them. A fan, but I'd assume that's for the summer, not in January. That's my lovely double bed. 2 lamps on the side. A lovely picture of I would say that's the quays at Salford in Manchester. A telephone, a bit of a seating area. It's quite very spacious, this room. Another mirror, a lamp, TV. This room has got a safe, which that's very good. That's always handy to have. Tea and coffee facilities. Now, they provided spring water, and is that sparkling water? No, spring water. That's fine. I like sparkly or what's the other one? Non-sparkly. I've got a range of English breakfast tea. I quite like tea. Pure green tea. I'm not a fan of coffee. Milk. This is a dairy option, but I would assume you'd be able to ask them if you've got any dietary requirements if you're vegan. So you got you got coffee sticks. Oh, a biscuit, chocolate chip and vanilla crunchy biscuit thins. 2 glasses, 2 cups, bin. It says it's got a hairdryer. Ooh. Oh yeah, Clayton Hotel's guest information and in-room dining. I might have a look at that. I don't know. I didn't really have a really good gander around the hotel. I've only just literally come in, asked if they do a shuttle service in the morning, and then come up to put my things away. Another drawer. No, as part of that. My lounge fly for The Princess and the Frog. I had a bit of a brain fog earlier, and I was like, what's the name of the movie? Oh, it's just a lounge fly bag. That'll work. Tea coffee with no tea and coffee in it. Some extra storage space. And we'll have a look at the bathroom. Here you go, quite nice colour and layout. Couple of towels, shower curtain, a towel on the side, a bath, shower. You've got Field AC, gentle and refreshing body wash, Field AC conditioning shampoo, and you've got a bit of safety instructions. A lovely big mirror, hand soap, sink, toilet paper, a spare pair of toilet paper. That's always handy. Right, so I'm going to settle down a bit and go and explore the hotel a bit later. I might have a nap, I might not, and go out for tea. Right, see you in a bit. Bye. Hi, so I've decided to go to the Clayton Hotel's restaurant to have some dinner. I just wanted something small, so I ordered garlic roasted mushrooms and a sparkling water. Let's turn around so you can see. So all you need to do, you want to just come and find yourself a seat, scan that QR code, input that into it then transfers you to a website, and you select what you want from the menu and then order it online. So it's all really simple and easy. I'm just going to tuck into this and then go to my room and have an early night ready for the flight tomorrow.